Guys, I'm hyped because my new Roosevelt shirts came in, and this is the one I've been hyped for. It's Roosevelt's new Superman collection, and they dropped a ton of new stuff on their site to get you ready for Superman. I got 3 of their Kunuflex shirts, and I absolutely love them. I own a bunch. They're wrinkle-free for the most part and have great stretch and breathe extremely well. Perfect for the summertime. These are the designs I picked, and they look even better in person. First up is the Ready for Action shirt. Then is the symbol of hope that shows off all of Superman's insignias. And finally, we have my personal favorite, which is, of course, the Crypto shirt. I really love how all 3 of them came out. I love how they look, I love how they feel, and I can't wait to wear these during the summer of Superman.